Do we leave it right there? A little bit of splash, a little something?
How crazy you want to get?
We've got something brand new to play with today. Now, we've used candies on this channel before, but I think almost exclusively House of Color.
Correct.
For the most part. This is a candy concentrate from Tamco, and we got this from our buddy Tommy over at the Spray Source. The color is Teal Time, and I don't think we've ever used a teal colored candy. Now, one of our favorite things to do with candy concentrates is use them to change or alter an existing pearl, specifically color shifting pearls. So let me show you what we've got on the docket today. We are going to mix teal candy into Anthias Colorshift. Now, here's my concern. Anthias Colorshift is not a two-color color shift. This bad boy goes from like pink to bluish to purple to amber to
maybe a copper.
It goes all over the place. So I have no idea where teal candy fits in a 5-color color shift. Are we gonna make mud today?
Very well possibly make.
We may make mud today, but that's okay because we haven't made mud in a while. So a little bit of glossy top coat because we want that clarity with the candy. The one thing I notice about this candy concentrate, as soon as you pick it up, it's very thin. It sounds thin. So how much pearl are we going to use? 50 grams per gallon? We want to go a little heavier on the pearl. So here's some Anthias. We haven't used this pearl in a long time. But if you've been around a long time, you know that we actually launched Dip Pearls back in like 2013 with Anthias as our very first project. So let's get this mixed up first. Let's show you a little Anthias. You're gonna see a lot of pink, a lot of that pinkish amber, but this is a very light sensitive pearl. So you can get it from one angle and then get it from another angle and it can look completely different. So how much of this teal candy are we adding to Anthias?
Scientific amount?
The scientific amount, okay. Let's see if it makes an impact quickly. Oh, it's like almost a greenish. It almost looks like a watermelon style candy. Okay, so we'll do a little bit of this, a little bit of this, a little bit of this. Mix it up first. You never know how powerful these candies are. Let me know if you see anything changing. Your claim was that this teal candy may kill the pinks.
Yeah, and that's what I'm kind of seeing.
Okay, more? It's very watery, which may be good because it could be very easy to spray. I don't know. It's going way something. It looks way different from the top. Can you see it from the side? I mean, that's about right? You want to do a little stick of truth? The problem with these projects are there is no right answer. So you can always go a little further. Okay, yeah, this is way different. It's way more blue-purpley. The question is, are we still going to get those ambers and those pinks in that low light?
Maybe it has to be an extreme angle, I think.
Do we leave it right there? A little bit of splash? A little something?
How crazy you want to get?
Bop, bop. All right, that's enough.
Okay.
All right. That should be good. Anthias, teal candy on what car are we doing? STI. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. And anytime that we mix together Colorshift pearls and candy concentrates, we've really got two things on our mind. First, is the candy going to change the tones of the color shift? And more importantly, is the color shift still going to shift? And I'm happy to report that not only does the Anthias look completely different after that teal candy went in, it still shifts super hard. But I do have to note, I wouldn't say that the Tamco candies are compatible with Plasti Dip products. It just doesn't fully dissolve. It still leaves a little bit of a gritty texture on the car. I'm sure they work really great in automotive paint, but not the best choice for Plasti Dip. Either way, we're taking the car outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a look at this color, leave a comment below, and rate this one for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it, and if you want to dip your emblems, your wheels, or your whole car, click right up here. All of our do-it-yourself friendly kits are in one place. Gabe and I had a ton of fun on this project. I hope you had fun watching it. We'll see you on the next one.